I think it's a very interesting market if you were to look at the entire Asia. You know, you've got China on one side and Southeast Asia on other, and India, you know, on the third side. And when you look at China, you know, the strategy is really to go deeper and penetrate deeper into those markets, get into some of the tier 2, 3, and 4 cities. When you look at Southeast Asia, look at more like a flanking opportunity where, you know, you're going and opening your first stores in Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, and Singapore. And then you look at India, which has just opened up to the foreign direct investment, and look at basing your first operations in tier 1 cities before you embark onto the next level of cities. But equally, beware that each of these countries will have their own challenges. So when you look at India, the physical infrastructure is going to be a big challenge, and the governance and dealing with the government is going to be a challenge. When you get into China, you know, there is a lot of wealth, but that wealth is in hands of only a few people. So just make sure that, you know, you don't get carried away by the numbers in there. And then when you get into the Southeast Asian markets, these are relatively smaller markets in there, so you can't go and penetrate too much deep in there. So in one line, I would say is India and China, you know, penetrate in those markets within Asia, and the rest of Southeast Asia, make sure that it's like a flanking opportunity.